guys, so welcome back to my channel. Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning October 11th to the 17th using this bundle of joy kit from BellaPlanella. So this was the week that I found out what I was having in terms of gender. So which is why I didn't have a Halloween kit here, which I was a bit upset about because I love Halloween kits. I don't celebrate Halloween, but I love Halloween artwork. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So this week I paired this kit with some more Planet Pixie Co foil. Who is shocked? Not me. This time I used her baby foil in the aqua hollow, which is like a blue hollow, and I used some quote boxes from her too. She does have a double box overlay, which made it even better, but I'm pretty sure it's bigger than the Planet Pixie Co ones. I had to cut it down, but that's okay. This week I was 20 weeks pregnant, and according to my sidebar, the baby was the size of a banana. Can't imagine him being that small. So I got the neutral one of this kit because at the time that I bought it, I didn't know what I was having. So then I paired it with blue foil, since it was a boy, obviously. Sorry about all the birds chirping in the background. I was listening to another video that I recorded the voiceover of today, and I noticed you can hear the birds, but it's really hot in London, which is a shock, you know, but my window is open. Anyway, so you might notice this week I did not colour block because I just didn't feel like the colours warranted it. And on Saturday and Sunday, my double box extender thing, I kind of put the boxes in the wrong bit. Instead of putting them inside, I put them on the outside, but you know, I'm fine with it. Anyways, I am going to go ahead and start by day. So starting with Monday, I used a Paper Milk Sleeping Mario, I think it's called, and a Tired AF script from SPC. I don't know if I put it in the video, we shall see. To note being tired. I then used this like book from Mr. and Mrs. Minko to note having a long day at work. I made like a little half box extender using my underlay boxes. So I used a backpack character from Make Plans and a work script from the foil bundle to note going to work. I think I marked work that way the whole week. I love Make Plans. It's like my new favourite character sticker shop, so if you haven't checked out her shop, be sure to. I then used this couple sticker from Sweet Quiet Designs and a Time for Snuggle script from Randy.Plans to note snuggling with my husband. I'm guessing that's after work. I then noted my husband gaming with a PlayStation controller from Crafty Planner and a gaming custom script from Make Plans. I then, sorry, airplane, I live next to the airport. I use a laptop icon from the foil bundle and a class script from, I don't remember, to note during a lecture. I don't know if I put the script on while I was filming either. Let's just wait for the aeroplane. I then use a YouTube play button sticker from PMD Stickers and a YouTube script from Adobe Design, so not a YouTube binge. I then use a pizza icon from a paper candy art leftover and an ordered takeout script from Make Plans to note we ordered pizza. I then noted my baby kicking with a Silver Planko kicking character, well, baby kicking sticker, and a Malik custom script from Make Plans to note he was kicking. His name is Malik, and at this point I knew it was a boy, so well, I did back plan this. I planned this when he was already born, so I thought I might as well use the Malik script since I have them. On to Tuesday, I used a excited Fox and Cactus Gal to note that I was excited because it was my gender scan day and I was excited to find out what I was having. Then used this teacup sticker, which was a leftover from a paper candy art kit, to note that I had to drink lots of fluid because, you know, your bladder needs to be full when you were going for a scan. I then used this like boy outfit sticker from PMD Sticker. I think there was like a baby bucket list sort of thing to note that it was a boy. No, I skipped a whole thing, sorry. I use the ultrasound sticker from Sweet Quiet Design to note go into the ultrasound, and I use it with my love script from Kylie Plants to note that. And then I used the boy sticker from PMD Stickers to note it's a boy. I did use it It's a Boy script in hollow from SBC, but I don't think I put it on while I was filming, just because I wanted to use it. I then marked work the same way I had with the boy with the backpack from Make Plans and a work script from the foil bundle. I then used this gender reveal sticker from PMD Stickers and a family time script from Make Plans to note I revealed the gender to my family. I didn't really have a gender reveal party, so I thought I might as well use that there. I then used the Crying Girl from Fox and Cactus and In My Feelings script from Kinsey's Creation to note being in my feelings. I don't know what In My Feelings about, but might have been just like Cyril that now, knowing he was a boy, made it real that I was actually having a baby, who knows. And I use a baby girl sticker from PMD Stickers to note doing more baby stuff. Looking at stuff because now I knew as a boy I could find more clothes, because shopping for neutral clothing is hard when you're not looking at a section, so now I could look for more clothes for him. Then I used a Munchkin couple sticker to note that my husband was super happy because he wanted a boy and he was very affectionate to my buddy. And then I used a phone icon from the foil bundle to note that my brother called and I let him know the news. On to the 13th on Wednesday. I marked being tired with a stick with a Plango girl that wrapped in a blanket. I used a Tired AF script from SBC to note that. Also, I just realised I predominantly used the blue icon stickers for this kit, so I think rather than colour blocking I just used lots of blue stickers because it was a boy and to make it more blue. I just realised that now. Anyways, moving on. I used a car icon from the foil bundle to note that there was traffic, and then I used another one of those boy stickers from Make Plans to do at work. I then marked calling my dad with a Fox and Cactus call girl. I didn't call my dad to tell him it was a boy because he thought like me it was a girl. Then I used an angry sticker from Sickle the Panko to note be moody. I used a Moody Madam custom script from Kylie Plants to note that. Then marked my husband cooking with a Joy of Planning Man cooking sticker. And then I marked do my observation with a bow clip sticker from the kit and from the foil bundle. Moving on to Thursday, I used a car sticker from Paper Candy Art to note traffic again. I marked work the same way I had with the Make Plans Pink Down and Pink Planner Pixie Go combo. I then used this raindrop sticker, which I think is from Planner Kate also, I don't know, to note it being rainy that day. I then used this Oso paper, looked like an old sticker from Oso paper to note doing Black History Month art all day. I used an ABC like sticker from the Crafty Planner to note I had to cover someone. I then used a boy gaming sticker from Make Plans and a babe gaming custom script also from Make Plans to note my husband gaming. I used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note to binge watching some more Bones. And then lastly I marked a YouTube binge with a PMD stickers YouTube play button and a YouTube script from Adorably Amy Designs. On to Friday, I used a wallet sticker from the foil bundle and a payday script also from the foil bundle to note that it was payday. I used a Musical Cat Studio Sleepy Girl to note I was really tired. I used a Sleepy AF script from SBC to note that. I marked work the same way with Make Plans and Plan and Pixie Co. I marked a long day the same way I did on Monday with a book from the Mr. and Mrs. Mink Co. I marked being moody again with this unhappy looking girl from Fox and Cactus and Moody Madam custom script from Kylie Plants. I used this wings sticker from Paper Shower to note getting some wings stop. I got it to cheer myself up. I then marked having some cramps with this sticker from Glam Planner. I don't know why, I don't remember her name. Her name is Kissma, that's it. And I used this Malik sticker from it might be Adorably Amy Designs to note that he was hurting me, so I put Malik and then wrote hurting me underneath. I'm about to be in my feelings with a crying sticker from Stick with the Plan Co. and an in my feels script from PlanWithAds. I use a TV sticker from Carly Plans to binge watching Bones. I use a morning sickness sticker from Sweet Kawaii Design to note throwing up. So my morning sickness was in the morning, midday, at night. It was all day, which I'm sure lots of people who have been pregnant before can attest to. On to Saturday. At the top of Saturday, I used the straightener stickers from Paper Milk and appointment script from the foil bundle to note having a hair appointment. I then used a mum's house sticker from Carly Plans to note going to my mum's house. On the outside of the day extender, I noted throwing up with a nauseous pregnant lady girl from Joy of Planning, and then I noted that my husband was gaming with a controller sticker from the Crafty Planner and Babe Gaming custom script from Mick Plans. I then used a pillow sticker from Carly Plans to note taking a nap. The nap script is from Mick Plans as well. Into the day extender, I marked a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from PMD stickers and a YouTube script from Adorably Amy Designs. I then marked binge watching C with my husband with this couple binge watching sticker from Mick Plans to note that, and then marked cuddling my husband with a Sweet Kawaii Designs Poe, I think that's that character, cuddling in bed sticker, and a Time for Snuggles custom script from Randy.plans. On to Sunday, I used this like film wheel sticker from the foil bundle to note that my husband had a photo shoot for his brand. I then used this Fox and Cactus pajama girl sticker to note having a lazy day. The lazy day script is from SBC. I used this pill sticker from the foil bundle to note watching The Good Doctor. I then noted eating Bims because I was craving it with these nugget girls from this nugget girl from Fox and Cactus, and then I marked taking a nap with a napkin sticker from Honeybee Shop. Into the day extender, I use a TV icon from Mick Plans to note binge watching some Bones. I then use a YouTube play button from PMD stickers and a YouTube script from Adorably Amy Designs to note a YouTube binge. I then use this ABC sticker from Paper Milk to note looking at more baby stuff. So that is the end of this spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. So I kind of missed colour blocking this week, but I didn't like the colours. I didn't like the yellow, that was very goldy yellow, and the blues were quite light, so I didn't want it to have to match perfectly, so I decided to just use blue icons for the most part the whole week, which was okay, but you know, colour blocking would have been better, but these colours didn't warrant it. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a wiggle and what was left of the kit, and yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Bye!